Hey everybody, I'm here with attorney Peter Martino. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. And you?
Doing great. So today we're here to talk about what steps businesses can take in order to safeguard their intellectual property and avoid legal disputes. What do you think of this?
I think that everybody needs to safeguard their intellectual property. It's funny when we were talking beforehand, you said maybe this didn't have a broad applicability, but I disagree with that. Um, every single company has some sort of brand identity, and your brand identity is important to your business, and you need to protect that. And that's part of your intellectual property. So your intellectual property isn't just the world of patents. It's far from that. I mean, it's far more than that, I should say. It's also your trademarks, your copyrights, your logo, your name. All of those things are very important. It's very important to register anything that you want protection on. If you want to protect the name of your business, I don't know whether you, Ahmad, have the S Group registered or not. Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I think it's something that you want to look at. If that's a name that you want to run with and you want to build and you want to, basically build a brand around, then you better get some sort of intellectual property protection. So just to cover it, intellectual property protection covers patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Trade secrets, a little bit different dynamic, but all the other three all fall within the general scheme of the intellectual property laws of our country. And I think it is incumbent on each of us to do what is necessary to protect that. It can be protecting the contents of this interview that we're doing. Certainly, we have a copyright to what's going on here, and who owns that copyright? Can somebody else use this interview on their own website to promote a different product? Well, no. So there are things that everyone should be aware of. If you've had no courses or no education in intellectual property, it's worth reading up on it or consult a lawyer. We do trademark and copyright work at Anos Law. We don't do patents, but I could refer people out to a patent attorney if necessary. But certainly on all trademark and copyright issues, we've got a lot of experience and be happy to talk to you about your issues. You can reach us at anoslaw.com or reach me at peter@anoslaw.com.